Hello, beautiful people. I would like to share today about experimentation with the sound. I'm going to blend two different things. One is my voice, and another one is didgeridoo. I just actually started playing it. This will be my play number 3. I didn't actually spend that much time playing, maybe half hour. But somehow I know how to play it. I don't know how, but that's happening. And kind of more to learn, more skills to develop. So that's made from the spot gum. You see like spots. Beautiful, beautiful beach. I think this one probably in a G note. I can't remember probably. I need to double check. I will post in a comment when I check it. So voice. Hmm. I was singing sometimes just kind of expressing my felt experiences when I was doing meditation and I guess, experiencing all different state of mind and it just like sound was coming out as a song or expression in a voice. It was like a long time ago when it kind of was really deeply dwelling into those different states of mind, exploring my inner realities. And But maybe like yeah, a few years ago, I came across different jam sessions. It actually was overseas, and then somehow I figured out, or kind of I find out that when people playing different instruments, I was able to tune with my voice to whatever instruments they're playing and kind of co-create the sound with them. And moving forward this year, I was a little bit spending more time playing with my voice and yeah, lots of kind of interesting things pop up and kind of lots of different uh, manifestations of it manifested. So voice. I started myself actually exploring tonalities, and there is a lot way more to explore and experiment as well as understand, whatever notes are produced with different expression of the voice and, where voice coming from. But today I wanted to share just kind of simple tonalities and how does it, my voice will um, co-create the sound with this beautiful didgeridoo. So let's, for example, just kind of some simple sounds. So this kind of just tones, and then it could be polytones. Not sure if you was able to hear it through this microphone, but I want this web camera. It's like extra sound of polytone. Try it again, maybe a little bit higher. And then is possibility to produce what kind of voice shape in such a way that it sounds a little bit like a didgeridoo. And you probably know how didgeridoo sounds like. Actually, just learning. This is my time number 3. that's kind of how didgeridoo sounds like. And what's going to happen if I add the tone with a polytone together with synchronization with the didge sound while I'm playing the didge. So I just do like a simple one. You. So that's like actually ooh, that's I think this is C. That's what I remember. It's a note C. So ooh. What you just heard is the resonance of my C voice with C didge. Let's make it a little bit more fun. I have mine here and just kind of a speaker and running through program which is kind of creating some delays. So this sounds pretty good. So voice first. You can hear a little bit delays. And then didge. I actually need to fix this hole, it's a bit wide for me. Let's add the sound of the voice. A little bit louder. I'm still learning circular breathing, but actually I especially not do it because I'm producing voice. So it's, I just do it a little bit in a different way, but otherwise I can do some of it. You hear that like a little cool resonance? That was a bit of voice, a bit of didge, and the synchronicity in between, the resonance and interference patterns, and effects with delay, and that's how that's all together play. Thank you for listening and watching. I hope you're having a beautiful night.